Hello and welcome to M-tel. Today I'm working on this Mercedes ML350 CDI. Basically job that I'm doing today is basically I'm changing this. This is the camshaft sensor, basically the camshaft hole sensor. It's flagged up on the engine management system. Basically that is faulty, so basically this is what we are replacing today. Now as far as I can tell, I can't see any other camshaft sensors. All I can see is this one. And basically it is located on this side of the engine, basically, and you have to take a couple of things off. I'm going to show you what I've done so you can understand, so I can talk you through the fitting procedure. Okay, right, as you can see, I've already moved this. This is the intake pipe, normally sit across here. To get that off, there's these two fast fit clips, one here, then there's another two, one here, and then there's these two sensors, there's one here and one here, and then a breather plugs into the side back here, and it's jubileed onto the head of the turbocharger. I basically get the clips off, very simple things. They've got these little white clip, basically you pull this little white clip back and then that becomes a lever to lever it off, so then you push down on that, pull them off. The other one's up the other way, so it's easier to unclip it first, lift the pipe up so you can get a little screwdriver under to tease that clip open. Once you've done that, undo the jubilee clip and then this pulls away, as simple as that, and it's literally just pushed on, the breather just pushes into the side, then that is removed. Basically the camshaft sensor is mounted right in here, this hole right here where my finger is. Now basically this cover sits over the top and you cannot get to the sensor whilst this cover's on, and you can't get that sensor out without taking off the air filter from the driver's side of the engine, and that is held on by a screw there, and then there's this extended hex head bolt which holds the airbox onto the side of the engine, and that hooks through there. So what you have to do is you have to undo it till it's loose, then you can push it back a little bit and then take the air filter out. And once the air filter's out, basically all you do is you lift the cover up at the front to get access. Simple as that. And then basically next we get our new sensor, which is right here, and that just pushes down into the head there, pop, and then we have got torque bolt, one right there, goes back in there. Get the torque drive, do that back up. This is a very nice little easy job for the amateur mechanic, not very hard at all. A little tweak, that'll do. Sensors on, plug the old plug back in, and then push the white connector back in. Then basically this slides back on over the top like so, simple as. We get our air box, our air filter slides back in, make sure the bolt's undone on this side, that unhooks from there and that pops on there. Then all you do basically bolt that back in. Don't do it all the way up. Right, next we've got our two Torx bolts which holds the air filter in basically. One goes in the front there. Put that in. A couple of turns. Like so. We've got this one goes in around the back. In there. So Be very careful not to drop it. The Allen key, the Torx Allen key. Put that in. Now they are torque wise, they are T30s. And just crank them back in. 1, 2. Basically, take the drive key out on my screwdriver. So, put the Torx drive in the actual screw. So, stick that over the head and a little tighten. Same this side. And literally, you don't do them up very tight. You just literally a little tweak. They are self-tapping screws into a plastic housing. If you try doing these up very tight, you will just strip the plastic thread straight out of the airbox. So be very gentle on that. As for the torque bolt for the actual sensor, that was an E10, an E10 basically. Now basically our airbox is back on, one here, one here. Now basically we've got to put our crossover pipe back on now. And basically that goes on here, so we've got to be a bit careful in putting this back on now. Right, okay. All being fun this is now. That's in. Right, that's on. Over there, same with this side. That's on, that's on, that's on. Right, so the breather pipes back into the side of the housing. Turbocharger, that's hooked back up on there. All looking good. We've got our flexi screwdriver in there. Push it home. On, and we hook the clips back in on there, comes under there, that pops around there, this one hooks back around there, pops around there. Right. And then I've got to do up this Torx bolt which is around here the rest of the way, and there, that's tight. Clip on here, pop that on, same around here, clip around there, pop that on. Got a sensor here, pop, push clip in, sensor there, pop, push clip in, bump, and there you have it. Simple as. That is how you change a camshaft sensor or a camshaft hull sensor on a Mercedes ML350 CDI. This is a V6 model and it is a 2010 plate. Boom, done. Hope you enjoyed watching. Hope that's interesting and helps you out repairing your own vehicles. The job, as you can see, is not extremely hard and is a nice straightforward little job. Anyway, if you enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe to my videos and share them about. Thank you very much.